Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Armin. In this video, I will talk about how to change the number of processors in Ansys Fluent. I've solved a problem before, which you can see it. The number of processors is here, and I chose 24. I want to change it without my solution being cleared. Some people change the number from the setup, but it doesn't work. As you can see, there are 24 processors, but I changed it to 16. After closing the solution window, the number of processors will return to the first state. We can change the number of processors from mesh, but the solution will be cleared. I'm going to open it again. The right way to change is from this way. As you can see, the number of processors would be 16 without clearing the solution. Thank you for watching.